Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Faiz and welcome back to my new video. So guys, today is Monday and it's around 7:35 and this is English speaking challenge and episode number 11 of it and it's around the 5th to 6th try of this recording because in the first in the previous recordings I am doing mistakes like speaking Urdu in between or confusing in what and what I say. So it is a fixed fifth to sixth try, and in this try I tried to speak. I try to speak English in the whole video, and I try to do my best in speaking in English, and I share my thoughts but in English. So let's start. And if you don't if you don't like video till now, so please like it and make sure to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. So first of all, you may notice my voice is somehow changed. It is because of uh, uh, thoughts I am thinking right now is about I am not getting views, and it's around 2 years have passed, and still I am stuck in 107 subscribers, and this is not a joke. Actually, uploading video regularly and not getting even a single view is it is very the tension creating. And when you are when you are putting your efforts in making a short video, and but you do not get any results from that. But also, short video has a better performance and gets millions of views. If billions of views, for example, if you created 100 shorts, so one short get views is granted as according to some people. But I created almost 350 plus shorts, but don't even get 5,000 views on a single short, and not even getting regularly 1,000 views. And some shorts get 100 views, some stuck in 5 10 5 to 10, and some get 200 300 views, or some and by chance some get 1,500 or 1,800 views, and this is the by chance. And my subscriber count is still I am stuck in 200 subscribers right now, and it's around 2 years, because I created my shorts channel 2 years before, when I am when I am on bed rest because of my broken leg. But still 200 subscribers, uh, which is very disappointing, and which is very irritating, because of a person who wants to be a content creator, and even a single subscriber or single follower is matter in start. But I am not getting a single subscriber per day. If, and from this a thing come in my mind is that when I started my YouTube channel, first I uploaded uploaded long videos. You also watch old videos in you also watch my old videos in this channel. So I uploaded that. So I started uploading that videos time to time, like 1 week after 1 week later, or somehow it may late, or in on a month. And my friends are talking it will take 1 year. 1 year, everyone is saying it will take 1 year, and you start earning from it. But it's now 2 years, and I have not literally I am not literally 150 subscribers on my main channel, and I'm just stuck on 200 subscribers on my short channel, which is literally disappointing, because of I am giving this thing time daily and hourly. And this thing is true, that I am not giving time properly, like editing my long video, making my thumbnail, but and in short video, not working on the good scripts, and not working on good topics. But that's my that's okay. So I have to I have to feel let's meet in a short break. Welcome back, and I will complete this video in just 1 minute, because I have no more time to sit and talk, because I have to go for my work, and it's just 30 minutes are left, and I have to prepare myself for my work. So I have to end this video right now. And what I am saying, let's finish the talk. What I am saying is not getting views, uh, not getting views as a content creator is very irritating. And this thing is still that I am not giving proper time. But I don't have so much time to give to this because as you know, when you are a small creator, your family stops you to make videos and do this thing. And when this thing is not giving results, the pressures increases time to time. And that's why I am not able to give time to this. And when I try to give time to this, my other works are you understand this by saying giving this is giving time to this thing takes by lots of time, and I am unable to do my other works, which is very irritating for me and my family. And because of this thing is not giving results, so keep doing it is irritating for me also, and my family also, because they imagine a content must be a travel vlog of going to a out of country, and or it must be a visit to a visit to a Egypt type place. So they imagine content like this. I also imagine content like this, but I have no resources to make content like this. But I'm trying to get resources, and which is also a problem. that I am not getting resources. So it's all irritating, and I my exams are starting from tomorrow, and I have to prepare my exams, and it also takes pressure. It also contains pressure of preparing exam, because the because I have to pay fees. I have to pay fees even I fail to. It is important to get good marks and good result in exam also. So and also I have to fulfill my spiritual requirements a as a Hafiz Quran. So it is also an important thing in my life, and I also have to be a good. I also have to good in the work, in my office work, which is also important. So I have lots of things to do, and with the limited resources, or somehow you will say no resources. So it is very difficult, and it is very irritating, and at some point, and you say, what is this, why I am doing this, why I am getting nothing. So you may understand, you may not understand. It depends on you. So I am completing this. I am going to end this video. I hope you like this video, and you understand it, what I said, because this video is English speaking challenge, and I hope I improved my English from last part. So take care of yourself. May Allah fulfill our goals in and make our life better and easier. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.